Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to use the Paypenny app in Germany. So make sure you watch the video to the very end. So you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it usually helps me out. So to get started with the guide on how you can simply use the Paypenny app in Germany. So first thing to do is to make sure you download or install the app from the reliable source, which is Apple Store or Android Store. So for Apple Store, for iOS user, go to your Apple Store. Then from the Android user, download it from your Google Play Store. Then from there, open the app and enter your Germany phone number, your Germany mobile number. Then verify your number using the OTP, which is a one-time password sent through your SMS. Then set a PIN, which is a transaction PIN for future transaction. Then after that, you have to complete the KYC verification. So navigate to the KYC section within the app, then upload a valid government issued ID for Germany ID or passport. Then take a selfie as prompted for identity verification. Then the KYC proposal typically takes around 30 minutes before it will be complete. Then after that, you have to use your German bank account to add money. So detailed instructions for the bank transfers are provided within the app. So just input that, which can be, so if you want to send money internationally, you have to select the recipient country, for example, India. Then enter the recipient bank details, specify the amount you wish to send, and reveal the exchange rate and confirm the transaction. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.